Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now, latest inner replacement tube for Smart e-bike scooter pro accessories. Item number 1. 10-inch inner tube 10x2.125 10x2.5 rubber universal stroller pram replacement tube e-bike scooter balance car free shipping. Brand name, Anoi Bike Origin, CN Origin type. Other 10-inch high-quality butyl rubber thick inner tube cannot be inflated for half a year if it is not broken. Size, 10-inch. Material, butyl rubber, commonly used, 10x2.0/10x2. Item number 2. 2 pieces 10x2.125 inner tube tire scooter tire for 10-inch hoverboard F1A8 smart electric scooter 2 wheels. 10x2.125 inner tube for Schwinn Roadster tricycle, 10-inch bike, 3-wheel trikes and baby strollers, 10-inch wheel electric scooter, gas scooters and mobility scooters. This inner tube is made of isobutylene isoprene rubber, which is better in air tightness. Item number 3. A Malibay thick inner tube for Xiaomi M365 electric scooter 8.5 inches tire 81/2x2 cameras for front rear wheel M365 Pro accessories. Brand name, A Malibay Origin, CN Origin voltage, 36 of type, other is _customized, yes model number, for Xiaomi Mijia M365 scooter tire. Electric scooter tire M365 wheels. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.